And 50 years ago today, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed the 1964 Civil Rights Act into law. The law made it illegal for employers to hire, fire, or pay you based upon your sex, race, religion, color, or national origin. The bill was originally the brainchild of President Kennedy's, but after his assassination a year earlier, President Johnson made it his priority to pass the legislation. Civil rights protests and sit-ins were common at this point in history as discrimination and segregation divided the country in terms of race and the restructuring of America after the Civil War. Now, the 1964 House of Representatives passed the Civil Rights Bill by a vote of 289 to 126. Following the bill's passage, President Johnson signed the bill into law. This is what he had to say back then at that time.
Its purpose is not to divide, but to end divisions, divisions which have lasted all too long. Its purpose is national, not regional. This Civil Rights Act is a challenge to all of us to go to work in our communities and our states, in our homes and in our hearts, to eliminate the last vestiges of injustice.
And since its signature, the Civil Rights Act has also encompassed protections against age discrimination, pregnancy discrimination, and gender discrimination in terms of educational and disability programs. But most recently, President Obama has added to the Civil Rights Act by making executive orders to protect against discrimination based on sexual orientation in the workplace.